Hey everyone, today we're reviewing the AFA Tooling Deburring Tool, a handy device for smoothing rough edges on metal, plastic, and even resin. So if you're into plumbing, 3D printing, or DIY projects, this tool is a must-have. Right out of the box, this tool feels sturdy and well made. It comes with 16 high-speed still swivel blades, which are perfect for tackling different materials and angles. The handle is ergonomically designed, providing a comfortable grip for precise control. I've tested the tool on several 3D printed models. The blades work effortlessly to remove rough edges, leaving a clean, smooth finish. One thing I love about this tool is its versatility. Whether you're working on metal, plastic, or resin, the interchangeable blades make it easy to adapt to different projects. The blades are also easy to replace, which adds to the tool's longevity. One thing that could go a long way would be a case to hold the tool as well as any spare blades. It's a small issue, but something to keep in mind if you're working in a cluttered workspace. Overall, the AFA Tooling Deburring Tool is a reliable and versatile addition to any toolkit. It's easy to use, effective, and built to last, making it a must-have for anyone working with rough edges. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know in the comments your go-to tools for finishing projects. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful reviews. See you next time.